Do you also have the feeling that your contracts are stored everywhere and you have a hard time keeping track of them? Information is stored in your inbox, on file shares, in Excel sheets, and in the end, nobody notices in time that a contract expires or auto-renews. This is how termination deadlines get missed, discounts aren't renegotiated, and no one truly has the full picture. At the same time, requirements around compliance and transparency keep growing. Who approved what and when? Which version is valid? This is exactly where contract management comes in. All your contracts are in Business Central, in one central place, with clear responsibilities, deadlines, and full history. Contract management is a solution fully integrated into Business Central that lets you manage your contracts throughout their entire life cycle, from the first draft through review and approval, all the way to renewal or termination. The key benefit? You're not working in a separate tool, but directly where your customers, vendors, projects, and financial data already live, in Business Central. This turns your contracts from isolated documents into an integrated steering instrument. The heart of the solution is the Central Contract Workspace in Business Central. Here, you see all key information for a contract at a glance: contract type, business partner, term, notice period, status, responsible owner and participants, conditions, and all associated documents. Instead of digging through different folders, you now have a single source of truth, including who is accountable and what needs to happen next. So, you don't have to start from scratch. Contract management comes with a guided setup and predefined contract types, for example, for customer, vendor, or service contracts. This way, the solution is up and running productively within minutes, and you can adapt the details step by step to match your processes, instead of running a months-long IT project. A central pillar of contract management in general is traceability. Who changed what and when? Which version was finally agreed? And is the contract actually approved? Contract management documents status changes, versions, and approvals directly within the contract record. This way, compliance stops being a fire drill and becomes a natural byproduct of your daily work. Probably the most expensive way to manage a contract is missing the cancellation deadline, the contract renews automatically, and everyone only notices when the next invoice arrives. With contract management, you see all relevant deadlines directly in your role center: contract end dates, termination notice periods, renewal dates, price changes, everything visible before it becomes critical. You define who receives which reminder and when. This way, you renegotiate proactively instead of being surprised by silent renewals. And what about the actual contract documents? PDFs, appendices, addenda. In combination with Document Central, all contract documents are stored audit-proof in your system. You open each file straight from the contract card, with complete history and clear assignment. What does this mean in concrete terms for your organization? More transparency, all contracts in one place, with clear responsibilities and status. Better cost control, you don't miss deadlines and can consciously renew, renegotiate, or terminate. Stronger compliance, complete history, traceable approvals, and a single data backbone. Higher efficiency, less searching, fewer Excel lists, fewer surprises, more time for real decisions. Seamless in Business Central. No standalone solution, no double data maintenance, higher user adoption. Contract management turns your contracts from a messy risk into a controllable system, directly within Business Central. You keep deadlines under control, meet compliance requirements, and finally gain a clear overview of your entire contract portfolio. If you'd like to experience what structured contract management in Business Central feels like, Visit our website or get started with contract management directly from Microsoft App Source.